Well, let me tell you something about this. These are for modeling. If you want to make some custom faces, this is the tools you need. These are basic tools. So of course this will be used for clay modeling. It's really nice, so you can do some angry faces for your models or something else, or creepy faces. This is a good tool if you want to start making custom face. Now the next we have some lamp posts. These are good for buildings. These are good and fit Trackmaster. Look at Trackmaster building. Look at how nice this little lamp is. These are for whole scale, but actually you can use for Plarail buildings like this. I've done this previously with a different set of lights, but the gooseneck is pretty close that the ones used on the Tomas and Friends series. Look at that. Yes, I'm gonna use this for some building. So this on the right side is cool white LED light, and the lamp post is like a warm light. See the effect? Yes, so this is you can use these colors, or if you find it online, I get this set on Walmart. If you find them cool white, which is gonna look like this, if you prefer cool white, then you can get those. I mean, if you find them. I couldn't find it. The only gooseneck I found are warm white, as you can see on your image on this video. So 10 pieces of goose lamp post for $13.52 at Walmart. You can find other brands and different models for $8 or something. If you're interested, go to walmart.com and find and look for mini building lightings, garden street lights, or lampposts, or other. Maybe you can find this also on Amazon or eBay. And the next we found on our packages is this snow clearing hero. It is working. It's a little noisy, but this kind of engines are always noisy. Even if you change or replace the electric motor gear, it still makes noise. It's the design they made. But other than that, it's really nice model, still working. It's good. I found it for a really good price. After Christmas, the prices go down. So if you want to buy, you can buy it right now, or wait until summer, and then you can get lower price these items for less money. Now the next that it was in our mail is Splatter from Hittai Company. Right, say Dutch Splatter from Hittai Company. I paid $1 for this. Let me tell you, $1. The most expensive was the shipping. I actually paid 99 cents for the model. You can buy this on eBay. They are if you find an auction, sometimes nobody bids on them. The only problem I found is it is working. The only problem I found, a quick view, is look, gears keeping. I'm gonna show you. These are different gears, are not common gears, and also those have some battery corrosion, battery leakage. And I will show you these gears are really different than Trackmaster 2 or either Tomas and Friends, any Trackmaster. These are not the same gear. These are smaller gears with 12 tooth. These ones actually, if I'm not mistaken, those has like 16 teeth gears, axle gears, or 18 teeth. But I'll show you how to fix this. I hope soon. Now The next we got is Annie and Plarail and Thomas from Bachmann, and it looks clean, decent condition. This was a really good deal also. I remember my business is buy and sell, so if I sell this, it's not gonna be I'm gonna make profit, of course. But anyways, this models looks nice. Or you can buy these sets for 70 or 100 bucks on eBay. And well, let's talk about these models. They look not so bad. There's no scratches on the roof. There are no missing buffers. Most of the time the buffers are missing, or the connectors. These connectors right here. I don't know what was the name of these or the term. But other than that, I mean, there's nothing wrong with this set. It's nice. So we got the power bank, power pack, yeah, wall adapter, and everything is working. Look. Now, I do not have a track. It does come with only one track, and that's the rear rail track, the power track. And I did a little test. And it's working. Yep. I'm just changing the direction. Let's see Thomas. Thomas. So we're lucky because the power pack, everything, it's working as it should. That's nice. Now Thomas. Annie and Plarail are okay. So I do not have tracks. I hope I can get some tracks soon. Thomas. Oh, let's see if the eyes move side to side. Let's see. Let's take a really close up. Yes, the eyes are moving. I thought that. Yes, nice. Looks like the left eye is like kind of offset maybe. This Thomas has a lazy eye. Lazy eye Thomas anyways, but it's good. Now let's see. Steps are okay. Nothing in the front is missing. It's perfect. Sometimes because I used to sell also Bachmann on eBay long time ago, way long time ago. I'm telling you guys, I no longer sell on eBay. But anyways, so the buffers are sometimes missing, or the steps, or even the whistles. But this set, it looks like it's in decent condition. I would say it's almost 9 out of 10, or maybe 9.5 out of 10. It's in nice condition. Good set from Bachmann. Thomas and Plarail. Excellent find. Now for the next and last item on the mail, this time it's a brand new, never opened. Of course the box is kind of a little damaged here and there. It's because of the handling. I can see and I can tell it's the original tape. Yes, it is. There's no over tape on it. So it's a new in box, never open. You still can see the these wires that hold the engines in place. So it's Tolkien engines. It's Tolkien James, but actually it's a flip face Tolkien James. And I'm gonna put this for sale maybe. Yes, see, there is no scratches on the stickers. Brand new flip face Tolkien James. Here's the flip face. Let me see. You can find this model for $100 on eBay if you are lucky to find it in good condition, or maybe but missing the cargo or not tracks. And I think this does come with a track. I think so. I'm not sure. It should have track. Other than that, why will they sell this without track? Should be a track in there. I don't see it, but I don't know. Never opened one of these. Here of the rails, flip face changes. James, if you're interested, I'm pretty sure. Maybe I'm gonna put it for sale. Maybe, I'm not sure. yeah, if interested, let me know. Hit me with some offers. If you watch this video a week after I upload this video, then it's no longer available. It's been sold, because sometimes I never mention that I put this for sale. I just post, I post on the community tab, and I never say, hey, I have this for sale, because sometimes I do not have time to process a lot of stuff. But anyways, so guys, if you are interested to make some custom buildings, there are some lights. And if you are about to make a custom faces, these modeling clay tools are really good. I had one of these, but my kids love to play with these things, and they messed up everything. They removed the silicone point, or whatever you call this part. I have no idea, but I use them and they are really cool to modeling. Maybe you remember I used it to make all slow coach, and it kind of helped me a lot because I made it from scratch with clay.